Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by defining the base pattern and constraints. Pick resolution, color count, and scale. Use 1024 or 2048 squares for repeat fidelity, and set 3-6 complementary colors with 20-60% tonal contrast so shapes read at distance. Once done, block large organic blobs with varied brush sizes to establish silhouette. Make sure to randomize rotation and spacing. This prevents obvious repetition. You'll already have the visual foundation to refine shape hierarchy and density in the next steps. You now refine the hierarchy so the pattern reads at multiple distances. Add mid-scale motifs covering roughly 20-40% of the canvas to break large silhouettes, then overlay micro-texture at 1/5 pixel scale to give depth and reduce flatness. Once applied, use masks and subtle filters. Blur at 0.52px for transition areas, and sharpen selectively on edges to preserve contrast. Make sure to check the pattern at 1 and zoomed out views, so the camo functions both near and far. You finish by making the pattern tile seamlessly and validating performance across scales and environments. Create a repeat and inspect at full, quarter, and thumbnail sizes, then overlay simulated backgrounds, forest, desert, or concrete, to evaluate concealment. Once satisfied, export as PNG with alpha or TIFF for production. If you see obvious repetition or moire, randomize tile rotation and scale, or add a subtle grain layer to break the repeat. Make sure to iterate until both texture and silhouette read natural.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.